1933, they took your gold. 2008, they froze your accounts. Tomorrow, one keystroke. But what if there was wealth they couldn't reach? Not hidden, not offshore, just yours. If you want to solve this puzzle and win Bitcoin, you need every clue. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode. This is a hardware wallet. A vault for your Bitcoin that no one can reach. It holds your private keys, the only thing that proves you own your Bitcoin. Banks keep your money in their vault. Your vault fits in your pocket, and only you have the key. When Roosevelt signed that order, citizens had nowhere to hide their gold. Too heavy, too obvious, too easy to confiscate. This weighs 45 grams, crosses any border, survives any raid. Your keys never leave this device. Not when you connect it, not when you transact, not when governments demand access. They can freeze your bank account with a phone call, but they can't freeze a wallet they don't control. This isn't about technology, it's about ownership, real ownership, the kind Roosevelt tried to make illegal. In 1933, they controlled the gold because they controlled the vaults. Today, you can be your own vault. And somewhere in that metal finish, there's something only you can protect. They taught us in 1933, if they can take it, you never owned it. So the question is, what are you going to do about it?